Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you my latest Dogecoin earning from this website. So let's get started. Guys, before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update from this channel. So guys, in this video I will show you that how much I earned from this website. So I will provide each and everything and the link of this website in the below down description. So guys, this website is completely a best Dogecoin earning website that you can invest on this website, and it is one of the most trustful and legit website for the investment of Dogecoin. So guys, let's navigate to the website. Here is guys dogemexmining.com. This is the website that I earned around 1312 Dogecoin from this website. So guys, there is the process how you can register to this website and how you can invest. Each and everything is step by step I will introduce in this video. Guys, there is free 200 DHS for new members. Choose plan to mining Dogecoin instantly and 5% to 10% commission from referrals. Daily profit earn Dogecoin daily and withdraw daily. Mining Dogecoin right now it will be $1 soon. 5 million cash follow, guaranteed payment in time, guaranteed refund at any time. Guys, there is the plan that you can see coming from starter miner up to ultimate miner. Each of the miners are having different prices that you can purchase. And the next thing is guys about our company. You can read the description about their company, that this company how they works, what is the procedure and the process that they are giving Dogecoin, and how you can invest on their platform. The next thing is guys, you can see right now we are giving all new members free 200 DGHS, so you can start mining Dogecoin immediately. You can register to this website to get 200 DGHS freely on this website. And here is the location of this mining website that you can see. They have the partnership with the Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Perfect Money, Bitcoin Cash, Tether, Ripple, BNB, and Tron. So guys, how you can register, I will provide the link of this website in the below down description. Simply click on the link and register to this website. So how you can register, simply click on the register option. Once you come here, you can see your full name, your username, your password. Retype your password. Here you have to enter your email address. Retype your email address, type a secret question and a secret answer for yourself. So guys, once you are done, simply check this box and click on registration. So guys, as I have already registered to this website, simply I will click on the login option. Here you have to enter your username and your password, then click on enter account. So guys, right now I am on the dashboard of this website. So you can see recently added 3 payment method, Epicor, Tether, TRC20, Tether, PEP20. So guys, I earned around 2,769 Dogecoin from this website. There is the total balance. As I told you that I earned around this much Dogecoin from this website, and there is the total withdrew. So guys, how you can buy a miner on this website, simply click on buy Doge miner. Once you click on this, you will be navigated to the next window. For example, if you purchase the golden miner, so simply come to the down, click on the Dogecoin if you want to make the payment, and click on spend option. Now you will be able to get the around 500 Dogecoin, and you will be able to earn this much Dogecoin, and there is the 5,000 DGHS, and here is the wallet address that you have to withdraw the amount of Dogecoin to this wallet address. So guys, the next thing is withdrawal funds. How you can withdraw funds from this website to another website, to any of exchanges. For example, I want to transfer this Dogecoin. Simply I will come here and select the Dogecoin. You can see the wallet address is entered here, so simply I will select that. Here enter the amount of Dogecoin and click on request option. And the next thing is guys, your mining, you will be able to check your mining result, your mining history by clicking on your mining. And the next thing is your mining history. You can find out your referral system. There is the security settings, each and everything you will be able to see on this. So the next thing is your mining history. Once you open this, you will be able to see the referral commissions, each and everything below down here. The next thing is, guys, the referral system. You will be able to get your referral link from here. If you share your referral link with your friends, with other people on the social platform, once they are registered using your link, you will be able to earn commission. And the next thing is, guys, security settings and edit settings. You can change your password, email address by clicking on edit account settings. So guys, it was about the Dogecoin earning website that you can invest on this website. So guys, don't take this video as a financial advisor. So this video is completely for educational and entertainment purpose only. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.